Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries. Today we're doing a room tour at the Royalton in Cancun.
Hola,
Hola!
welcome to the Royalton Cancun.
Yay!
How was that trip?
Awesome! Now, the Royalton is an all-inclusive property, which is beachfront and awesome. They have everything that you need here. Whether you're going with a family and you need to have the kids occupied, they do have a huge splash park. Also, if you're going with your bae or significant other, they have a nice romantic area. They also do romantic dinners on the beach. But because your girl likes to have fun, I'm saying at the Hideaway section, which is adults only, okay? So that means the pool is adults only. They have an adult only restaurant, adult only beach access. But let's get into this room. Now we're in room 2219, which is a luxury suite with a jacuzzi terrace. As soon as you come in on the right-hand side, you're going to find your private toilet area. On the opposite side of that glass is going to be the shower. I want to show you that area a little later. It is very nice, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As soon as you make your way outside the bathroom, you know this is my favorite part, and that's the full-length mirror. You need this mirror before you leave the hotel room. Now, when you further walk in, you have the rest of the bathroom area. This beautiful romantic soaking tub. You have your mirrors and your his and hers sinks. Now, don't worry, you do have plenty of privacy. You just go ahead and close that curtain. Now this room is a double bed, but you can also get it with one king size bed. Fill that jacuzzi out with bubbles and you can enjoy a nice romantic evening. Now these beds were so comfortable. Now across from the bed you have the TV. You also have drawers where you can put your clothes and a mini fridge that they keep stocked with beers, waters, and sodas. The neutral palette throughout the hotel room was very refreshing, so I did enjoy it. The artwork above the beds was a very nice touch. Also in this area, you do have a painting, wasn't too loud in color, nice and subtle, and it was perfect above this sofa if you just want to sit there, grab something to eat and relax. Now this area you can either use as a work area if you're that person that likes to work while on vacation, or you can use it like my sister did and you can use it as a vanity area. This area does not come with that small mirror, that is hers. She did take it back with her. Now I know y'all are waiting to see what's behind this curtain. I picked this room because I loved what was behind this curtain. So come on, let's go ahead and take a look. So remember, this room is a jacuzzi terrace. So when you open the doors, you also have screen doors. Now, Royalton, they ask that you keep these doors closed when the AC is on. They do not want you to break their AC, okay? So when you go out, close the door. When you come in, close the door. Do us all a favor. Let's save this AC. Now take a look at that jacuzzi. It was beautiful, okay? Now this room is across from the pool area. They do play live music. Also, there are other rooms that have the swim up pool. I personally like this room because it did have the outdoor jacuzzi area, and I was also able to look over and see if there were a lot of people jamming at the pool, see if the music was good, see how many people was at the bar. Because let's just be honest, when I'm on vacation, I want to see, is the bar packed? Am I able to get a seat? Am I able to swim up to it? Now you can hear the music that the DJ is playing, so keep that in mind. Now let's go back inside because I didn't forget to show you guys the shower area. I just waited. So let's go ahead and let's go back into the bathroom area. And let's take a look and see what's behind the shower doors. Not only did they give you one, but two rainforest shower heads, they also gave you another shower head there, so you can have all three running, sit there and just relax from a long day of drinking and swimming at the pool. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Let me know, have you ever stayed at Royalton? Is this a place you think, I never looked at it before, but I think this would be great for me and my family, me and my significant other, or just me and my friends? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't worry you guys, I did do a full Royalton tour of the property. So just go ahead and turn on the bell notification so you can know when that one uploads. You won't be disappointed. I did make sure that I got video footage of the whole area. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, send it to your friends. Just do everything. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.